Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here with this mathematics for the FE. So this is the sections that will be covered for the mathematics for FE. You can see the basically four different sections and they're all divided up into subsections. So we'll first start off with analytics, geometry and trigonometry. And when in sequences we have it right here. So the first thing is a straight line. The equation for a straight line is mx plus b. M is the gradient, or otherwise called the slope, where b is the y-intercept. Okay, so to find the gradient of a line having 2 points, the x and the y, you can find, as we normally know, is rise over run, so it's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and that will give you the gradient, or otherwise called the slope. Now to find the distance or the length of the line between 2 points, you use this formula here, and all these formulas are also given in your FE manual, and you'll have these in your exams as well. Now to find the angle between two lines, you will use the formula right here, which is arctan with the gradients, gradient 2 minus gradient 1, all divided by 1 plus gradient 2 times gradient 1. And also for perpendicular lines, m1 is equals to minus 1 over m2. That is when the lines are perpendicular. So let's look at this example. Draw a quick sketch of the line 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So what you will need to do, just substitute 0 for x to find y and 0 for y to find x. When you do that, you get x equals to minus 2 and you get y equals to 3. And here you will see, so x is minus 2, so it is 0 to minus 2, 0 to minus 2, and y here is 3. It is 0 to minus 3, 0 to minus 3. You have those 2 points and you draw your line, and that is your curve. That is your sketch for that curve. Let's look at this other example. It says, find the equation of the line which passes through the point 2 minus 3 and is parallel to the line with equation 2x plus y equal 3. So being that it is parallel, they are parallel. If they are parallel, then both lines will have the same gradient or the same slope. So if both lines have the same gradient, same slope, let's simplify this equation for y equal mx plus b. So you would rearrange to make y become the subject. You get y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. So therefore, your gradient here would equals to minus 2. And remember, they are parallel, so both are the same. So now you would use your point slope equation here to find your equation, which is y minus y1 is equals to m open bracket x minus x1 close bracket. So you just plug in your values here. You have m is equals to minus 2. You plug m equals to minus 2 where the m is, and you have the coordinates right here, where is x and y. X is 2 and y is minus 3. So for the y1, you plug the y1 value, which is minus 3 right here, and for the x1, you plug the x1 value right here, which is 2. When you simplify that equation, you get y is equals to minus 2x plus 1. Or you can write it in this format if you like. And that is how you get that. Now here it says, another example. At which point does the line 4x plus 3y plus 8 equals 0 intercept the axis? And also draw the graph of this line. Alright. So on the x-axis, say y equals 0. So what you will do, you will substitute your value for 0 for y inside the equation, so for you to find x. And the same thing for the, you want to find the y, you substitute 0 for x, and you find those two coordinates. You find those coordinates, here you have it right here. X is equals to -2, x is equals to -2, and y is equals to 2 and 2/3. And you plot your graph. Another example here says a line is parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 9 equals 0, passes through at this coordinate 2 and 1. A. What is the equation of this line? So you have this line and you have this part that this passes through. They want to find the equation of this line. So a simple solution is you can find the gradient. You can rearrange this equation to find the gradient for this line. So that's what you do right here. Rearrange it for y equal mx plus b. So here you have it. Y is equal to mx plus b. You rearrange for to make y be the subject here. Then the first gradient, gradient 1, you will have right here to equals to 2/3. Well, minus 2/3. Now, what you need to do now, you can take these coordinates to use the point slope and plug it in. So you say y minus y1 is equals to m, open bracket, x minus x1 close bracket. So you substitute your values. You know that x is equals to 2, you plug your x value here. You know that y is equals to 1, you plug your y value here. You know that the gradient is equals to minus 2/3, you plug your value here. Then you simplify and you get the equation is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 7. So the b section of that same equation said the line on the grid below shows, which is the same equation as before with this, include in the graph of the line parallel to passing through that. Right. Alright, I'm going to take a break right here.